Tonight, Cherry eats a sweet. Jeff gets a new job.
Please show us what we just taught you, Jeff.
Katie has an incident.
Oh, go on.
And the Chuckle Brothers reunited.
You. To me. I ain't got a wand. Oh well. Hello friends, wizards, witches, and muggles. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today, I'm being a mechanic, and I have my very magical assistant, Katie AB. That's right. Are you excited? You're going to help me take an engine out today. That's right.
Yep.
Professional mechanics. Going to take the engine out of this quite sorry looking Ford Anglia at the moment, but it's going to look happy one day. So that's cool. So you've never done much car stuff?
No, I haven't, but how hard can it be?
Well, I guess we'll find out. Keep on watching if you want to see how hard it's going to be. We've got two tasks today. We have got to take out the heat box up here, yes, I know the technical terms. And we have to take out the engine. But first, before that, we have to take the front of this car off. So it has been cut off already, Blue Peter style, one we made earlier. Let's try and take this off then, I suppose.
Okay.
Oh, no, my door's stuck. Not only do we have to take this off, I have to get it into a big yellow van, so, okay.
The colour is important.
Oh God, how heavy is this? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Oh, pull it, pull it. I'm stuck. Oh, help. Oh,
Bits of
oh,
rust
it looks
falling
so
off.
naked, right.
I feel like the Chuckle Brothers.
To me, to me, to you, to me, to you,
To me. To me.
Pivot! Yeah.
That was quite flawless. We
Task
did it.
one, done.
Yeah.
Professionals.
Yes.
Right, I need some tools.
What do we need to do next?
This has to come off. Wait a minute. Oh no, I've broken it. Ooh, there we go.
That was a satisfying. Oh.
Little turtle.
Oh.
That'll help us.
Wicked
No,
turtle.
but I found loads of spanners, so that might be good for in a bit.
That.
Oh, really? Come on, at least give us some, like, scissors. Oh, she's doing it, she's doing it. Yes!
That's what it was like cutting the
Go, go,
umbilical
go.
cord.
The umbilical cord. You have a new baby. It's a
this
very
car.
magical blue rusty baby. Oh,
Yes.
hey, we know what we're doing.
Professional.
So now we need to find some tools that are going to get these off. So we need to find the right socket, spanner.
Is that the zappy gun?
We could use a zappy gun, which is in there. Is that the zappy thing? No, that's not the zappy thing. I've seen it somewhere.
I don't know.
Oh, hang on a minute. Someone has unusefully, very good English, left it under the car. Oh, is it meant to do that noise? Are you sure? It's not doing anything. Oh! Oh, it's like I know what I'm doing.
You do. You're professional.
Hang on. Okay,
That's it.
you have a go. Hey, you all doubted us. Oh, she did it there.
Yeah. Oh. Right.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Ooh! I'm gonna put it over here. Quite impressed that we got that out so quickly. I thought it was gonna take hours, but
That was quite rapid.
I feel like this next bit isn't gonna be as rapid.
What's taking that?
Yeah, we have to take this out, which is the main engine of the car. We've got a new one, nice shiny one down here, which is gonna go in. Well, use all the strength you have. Are you doing it the right way?
I don't know.
Lefty loosey.
Stop stressing me out.
So yeah, that way, pushing towards your left. I might cut some of these wires first. I feel like we had such a good start with this.
We're doing
like,
it, we're
yeah,
smashing
we're
it.
doing it, and now it's like, oh no. For any car fanatics that are watching, maybe click off. Just don't watch. There's so many other car videos you could be watching right now. Okay, shall I give it a...
You try. And then if not, I think we should just set it on fire.
Yeah. Oh, I'm just not good. I don't know, I'm stuck, I can't do engines. I mean, yes I can, but no I can't. Got true mechanic hands.
That's what I mean, it feels really good. I don't know what I'm doing, but
Yes, you
it
do.
feels like, I mean...
Tell them that.
Yeah.
We're just training Jeff. He's
Yeah.
our apprentice.
We pretend we don't know what we're doing.
We've got an apprentice now. So please show us what we just taught you, Jeff.
Yes.
Yeah, that's exactly what I told you to do. Good. Nice
Well
work.
done.
Just a little bit slower, please. It's difficult for an apprentice.
Yeah.
Have a little break, you've worked hard.
Took half a heat box off.
Yeah, we did. Loaded the front of the car into the van.
Yeah.
This is quality content right now. I would come watch. I'm gonna catch on fire as I sat there. Did you just cut the bolt off? That's cheating. That is cheating. Have you got your beverage? Is she drumming? It's not a drumming break. You've got work to do. We have to oversee our apprentice. Thank you. Watch all the dust when you plonk on that.
Sorry, Jeff.
Sorry, my straw just squeaked. I hate a captive nut system, Jeff. I can't believe that they've put such a nut system into this car. Right. Whilst we wait for our mechanic to do some work,
Apprentice.
I will show you the fart machine.
Put it on your seat, wait.
Oh, go on. Oh, that's a good one.
Oh.
This is the content everyone came for. Like, this isn't an Anglia, but it is a Tesla, and it can fart. That's on the outside. Can you imagine if you're just walking past like a couple and you're parked and you just make it fart? Short shorts ripper. That's a good one.
Ludicrous fart?
Ludicrous fart's the best fart here.
Yeah. That would be satisfying if you were doing it.
Yeah. It's like getting it all out, falcon heavy.
Put the romance on again.
Oh, go on. Let's get cosy. Hang on. It's going to get warm though because the fire's on. Are we ready for seductive mode? Are you going to play me some sexy music? Do I have to touch you? Not you, the car. I'm not going to touch it. There we go.
I'm definitely seduced.
I love that we're here with a cosy fire, some seductive music, whilst Jeff's like hard at work, bless him. He's like having a hard time getting that engine out. Oh, it's getting a bit warm with the fire on. I think I might turn it off. Jeff said that we could pull out the engine, and I said that we're good at pulling out, and I did not mean what I said.
Do you want a flamethrower?
A flamethrower or what's
Petrol
a
in a
wrecking ball, or
An anvil.
or a crane.
Yeah.
Someone's trimming their lawn.
Stop saying things that sound like euphemisms.
Can we tell him to show? Let me give you a tour of your car.
So we don't have any.
Oh no, there's a wasp. Oh no, it's a housefly.
We don't have any farting things, so we have to make our own fart noises.
Oh,
So when I press this, you have to do a fart noise, okay?
okay.
Go. And this one?
Oh, there's a fly. Please remove yourself from the car. Thank you.
I'm guessing that's the ashtray.
No, that's the invisibility booster.
Oh, it's jammed.
Oh, yeah.
Such a problem with these.
It's always broken in this kind of car. You know, it would be really nice. A nice addition. Some seats. Will the chair fit in the car? Hang on, if it does. Who needs car seats when you got a kitchen chair? Wait a minute. Do you want one? We're upgrading the Anglia. Right, let's upgrade this car, shall we?
Thanks.
Here you go.
Can you reach the pedal?
Can I reach the pedal? Oh, hang on.
I'll hold the door shut.
Thanks. Yeah, I could just about reach the pedal. It's perfect. Don't forget the fart noise. Oh, I think that's a good upgrade, to be fair.
Yeah, we better.
I mean, who needs necks anyway?
But you've got, in your car, you've got like the fire, like but in here, you've got like a mirror in case you need to do your makeup.
Oh, that's good. You got one here as well.
Yeah.
You got some really mouldy flaps as well. Oh, it's hot in your car. Thanks for the tour.
Stunning. Yeah, I really like the seats.
Shall we tell our lovely audience about what this is?
Yeah.
Go on then.
That is a phalange.
We love a good phalange. It's a bit of a rusty phalange
It's
there.
rusty.
It's got this phalange fan on it as well that kind of
On the
circles
top
around.
of the phalange stops the rest of the phalange from getting too hot.
Really important to have a rusty phalange in your vintage classic
without
car.
the rust, it's no good to you. So we'll just put that back down. Perfect example of a phalange. There we go. We're learning.
Phalange fingers.
Is it?
A phalange is a finger.
Phalange.
That's the official, like, finger word.
What? What do you mean?
The anatomy word for a finger is a phalange.
The Latin.
No, anatomy.
Oh, okay.
It's a phalange.
How much longer? Because I'm bored. Just lost a finger, a phalange.
It's lost a label.
It's protecting your modesty.
Are you winning? No.
Oh.
In today's viewing at Wallis Cinemas, we have got Jeff doing the work that we could not do whilst eating some sweets.
With their butt crack out.
Can't go to a cinema without a butt crack. Nice job.
Slow and steady was the way to do it.
Ow, I bit myself.
It's almost erect.
Well done, you are an erection professional. Well, for the last hour and a half, we definitely haven't had loads of help from Jeff. No, we've got to this stage on our own. So this is a pumpy engine pump. This
It says that on it here.
Yeah, it does. You can't see it, but we can see pump him up, pump us on.
Time we're going to pump.
There we go. That's one out. Oh no, I've got a screwdriver stuck.
No, that, yeah.
Oh! Hang on,
It's
pump a
coming
bit,
loose, it's
pump a
coming
bit.
loose.
Hang on, just a little bit, just because that side's falling down now. Oh, she's free. Pump it. Pump away, Katie. Pump away.
I'm good at pumping.
Oh, it's out. It's out. It's not sleepy time yet. We've got to say goodbye. Well, whilst Katie naps on the Anglia, we unfortunately haven't been able to get the engine out today. It's a very old car from the 1960s. We need to spend a little bit more time on it, probably off camera with some definitely not more professional people. But yeah, so we're going to put the Anglia to bed back in the garage with its new engine, which will be in soon. And of course, I will update you when that happens. And yeah, so look out for part 3. This isn't the end of the Anglia's journey. She's going to look beautiful when she's finished, but it's going to take a little bit of time. But thank you for watching. I hope you did enjoy whatever this video was. If you got this far, thank you very much. Give it a thumbs up. Go check Katie out on Instagram. I will leave all her links down below. And yeah, see you next time. You got anything to say?
I hate cars.
And on that note, we're going to put her away. 1, 2,
3.
She's good.
Yes, please.
Yeah, she needs a hand. Oh. Oh. Okay.
Done.
High five!
I need to go wash my hands.
Yeah. Oh.
Beep, beep.
Until part 3.